Hello everybody, Tugar747 here, and I have some note from a new rider. I never realized how much fog or clouds of tiny droplets of water will cars get in the air, you know. I was kind of surprised, you know. I was thinking, wow, what's getting so foggy? Why is? And then I realized, man, my screen is that dirty. You know. Yeah. Yeah. So if it seems like fogged or something, no, it's not. Look, better. Yeah. You have to clean it properly when I will get home, or in a garage. Yeah. I mean, with all the inventions which appeared in later years, it's you know, sunscreen added on behind a normal visor. Now the Revo helmets with a rear view mirror, you know. I mean, rear view mirror is great, but still. And I'm still missing one thing. We totally could use something, you know, like cars have. Like, I don't know the proper English term, you know, like water dispenser or whatever is the correct. Yeah, thanks. That sound was a piece of stone deflected by my visor. It was a pretty thunderstorm around here with we got you know, the icy droplets, whatever is the correct term. I will find it out eventually, but still. But still, it's I think it would be really useful, you know. It's after like 5 minutes of riding in this after the rain, and not even in the rain, you know. The proper rain would actually clean it out, bro. That's probably why I didn't mention this one in case of actual raining, because there is the water actually cleaning the visor, you know. The big drops, the big raindrops will clean it from the west. But when there is nothing, then those tiny droplets just land on a windshield, and they are from the ground, you know. So they are pretty dirty. So there's dust in it, and when it like dries out, well, you have nothing else than simply dirty windscreen or visor. I think that would be a useful invention, you know, something to clean the visor after this. I mean, like with the cars, you know. Okay. In this weather more than usually, keep it the rubber side down, and goodbye.